Thanks for watching AGPTEK. Please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you very much. Hey, welcome back to AGPTEK. So I was going to do this review on the Raspberry Pi 4, but then I realized that I would need video capture. So I got this AGPTEK. It's basically a game console capture HDMI in, and it's got a HDMI pass-through so you can see the output on your monitor, and it records in between to a USB key. And let's look at that AGPTEK unit right here. Here's the stats. Basically records to MP4 on the USB with AAC audio. Real simple front panel, USB. You got a microphone input so you can voice over your recording, and then you have a start stop button. There must be a signal present in order for you to press start. Here you have power in, HDMI out. And of course we're going to record this Raspberry Pi for this video. So I got onto the Raspberry Pi and you can see it here. So the screen capture is working really well. I wanted to test the audio through the HDMI pass-through, and I also wanted to show you that I had previously attempted to use Raspberry native video capture on the desktop, and it came out with this weird pink hue, and then I realized that the recording I had no sound. So we're going to go over to the AGPTEK channel on YouTube. So here we are on the Raspberry Pi, going to the AGPTEK channel, and we're going to listen to some audio pass through, and you're going to hear it recorded right here. So hang on. Thanks for watching AGPTEK. Please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you very much. And rolling them around tubes. Work kept going on to Thursday. So we can see this AGPTEK HDMI 1080p game capture console is going to work really good in trialing out the Raspberry Pi here. Please comment, subscribe, like, share. Thank you very much.